Myself Kshiti Hemant from grade 9th. Today I attended a session of self-image organized by our school management and conducted by Miss Priyal M. Jain. She has helped me realize that how self-image is important in life, how it helps us to be confident. And she has also given us tips and tricks how to keep ourselves confident and to increase our self-image. I would like to thank her for all the help she has done for us and like to thank the school management for giving us this opportunity to attend this session. Thank you.
There was a great session conducted from Priyal ma'am. Today it was all about self-image. Today we got to know about how self-image is really important in our life. Priyal ma'am told us all about many different things. They told us about how not to compare ourselves to each other and how to increase our self-image way higher and make it the best. And we also learned how to be the best in life.